So today another quick video. This time we are looking at a cassette deck. Not my cup of tea, I normally won't be repairing cassette decks. But this one my brother wanted to have a cassette deck again, and I bought this one for not much for him. It's a DRS-610 and it comes with a tray similar to CD players. Now I took off the front cover like I typically do with CD players. Here you have the two clips that hold it from the other side, and then you can pull it up. But actually I don't think for this cassette deck you need to take off the cover, because we will see that actually to bring out the tray, we will have to bring out the tray completely, or probably is what you want to do anyway. There is an arm that presses the cassette against the base, and it comes with a clip here on this side where the X goes in. So you push that clip to the outside, and then you can bend it from a side and pull it out. But beware, there is a spring. The spring is already taken out, otherwise this will have flown in the air. But so this is the position. It goes first that side in, and then you clip it on the other side. So once you take this with the spring off, you might want to put some extra grease on that lever. And then further, you see this screw here? That's the one that holds the tray, so that when it goes out, that screw is actually the brake against a plastic lip. So you have to unscrew a little bit, that it goes higher, and then you will be able to pull off the tray completely out of the deck. All right, and then you will be able to grease it a little bit so that it goes smooth as new. Now, what else to pay attention? Well, you see that the capstan is out. I've already been working on the capstan. When you put the tray back in, make sure that this lever is towards the front of the cassette deck, because if it goes and it moves, it tends to move to the back. When you put the tray back in, it will knock on that lever, and you won't be able to put the tray in position. So remember to put the lever to the front and then put the tray in, because that's the lever that pushes the tray in and out. The capstan, I'm changing the roller. Actually, again, a lip. Here on the capstan lever there is a lip. You do a little bit of pressure and then you can bring up the capstan, which I have over here. We see it here completely taken out, and I took care of the rubber roller. And then there are 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a non-auto reverse mechanism, so quite reliable, easier to maintain. It only has one capstan, as you see on that side. Once you take out the tray, etc., it's very easy to clean the heads. And then, after you take out the 4 screws and disconnect the ground and all the connections for the heads and the engine, so all these cables have to get loose. All these cables, all of them have to get loose. And once you do all that, you will be able to take the mechanism and wiggle a little bit gently until it comes out. Now I cannot hold the camera and take it out, I think. Let me see. No, probably not. So I will stop recording, but I've already taken it out one time and it wasn't too hard. It resides a little bit here on the front, so it rests on the front cover. So you have to take it out a little bit up and to the rear, and then up again, completely out of the mechanism. So what else do we see here? Well, the circuit board is not bad, fairly populated. I've already done some sound tests, and particularly Dolby C recorded tapes sound much better on this deck than some other decks that I've been playing with. Well, and with that, we will touch on or cover the recapping of that main board in another video.